Hi everybody, I'm back in beautiful Brazil and I want to introduce to you the first exotic fruit that I actually tried when I came here originally a year ago. It is caju, or the cashew fruit. Look at it, isn't it crazy? Like, this is where the cashew is. It's not actually in the fruit, it's in here. And of course, being an idiot, when I first got one, I decided to try to bite to see if I could get to the cashew part inside, and I didn't get very far. And then I decided, I should probably look up if it's toxic, like anything in this outside part. And sure enough, it was. So luckily, my teeth didn't get through any of it enough to hurt me. So let's take a look inside. Okay, so here you could see it's kind of like a weird texture. I'm sure you could buy some that are better and worse. I've bought some that didn't have so much of this like lumpiness inside. But nonetheless, like even the best textured ones, people prefer to have them as like a juice or a smoothie in some kind of blended form. The taste is pretty unreal. It's kind of like an artificial tropical flavor. Like if you could imagine like a tropical high C juice box that's like 10% juice. That's what it tastes like. It's like so sweet and so tropical and so different from, like, no way could this strong of a tropical taste be possible. It feels almost like a combination between pineapple and like mango or something. Like if you put all the tropical fruits in a blender, this is my best way of describing it. But it is very delicious, and I'll show you what I make with it.